Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows could not start the Diagnostic Policy Service, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the main solution is to restart the Diagnostic Policy Service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to D and then you'll find an option called Diagnostic Policy Service. Right click on it and then select restart, and this should fix the problem. And you can also check for the smart card service if it exists, but though it doesn't exist on every system, but still it does on my system. So right click on it and then select start, because both the services are dependent on each other. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.